Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here from smartincubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I want to show you the trade that I got stopped out from on GBPJPY, and I don't know what I actually took that trade because it was still during New York session. It was a good setup, but unfortunately I got stopped out. I want to show you that one as well, and also I have an open position right now, which is this one right here. But I want to show you what exactly happened for my last trade. So right now, before I start the video, I want to show you the results of Gold EA Incubator on 3 different accounts. The first one is this $1,000 account that we recently had a $300 withdrawal, and we are slowly withdrawing money from our profits. It's 120% in profit since March 7th all the way to May 9th, which is almost 2 months. So this is this one. All the links are available, guys. You can join our Telegram channel and keep track of everything. This is our $2,000 account right here that we are up 9.69% in profit, and it's a real account. It's not demo. We're not playing demo, guys. $193 in profit since April 25th. And our $5,000 account, 4.30% in profit, which is $214. So without any further ado, let's get into the trade that I got stopped out of, guys. I'm gonna delete everything here so you have a better understanding of the trade that I actually took and got stopped out, and it was right here. So let me show you. It's, oh sorry, I gotta go to the replay here. So for GBPJPY, guys, I was checking on a 5-minute time frame, and then I noticed that we definitely have a bearish trend on 5-minute time frame, and I didn't really have to go to higher time frames, and the reason is that we have multiple breakout structures towards downside. So look at all these support levels here, guys. All these support levels have been broken towards downside, so it means that the trend of the market is changing towards the opposite direction, which is downtrend. And then I noticed that after that we have a huge I don't want to call it a correction, because it literally broke above this level here. See, it broke above this level, and then it's actually a big correction, and it's trying to create higher highs and higher lows. See, it's slowly trying to create higher highs and higher lows, because my target was right here. This is a high probability order block, and there's a huge gap here as well. So this is what I was thinking about, and that's why I was just waiting for it. And then at the same time, I noticed that we have a high probability demand zone right here. If I want to actually draw it here, this is a high probability demand zone, and the reason is that we have this move towards upside, and the next candle never tapped into this zone. So that's why there's a gap between this candle and this zone right here, and it makes this zone a high probability demand zone, which is really important. So I was waiting for the price to come back to this area, and it actually did. So right here, the first thing I did was putting my bias stop here, my stop loss right here. Oh, I don't know why I'm doing this. My stop loss here, and my TP was somewhere around here, which is almost a 1-to-1 trade. Exactly 1-to-1 trade, and I was ready for that. And the first one, it was a little bit here. Okay, so the first one didn't tap, the second one didn't tap, and the third one triggered my bias stop. And then after that, as you know, I got stopped out. It was right here. I got stopped out. I deleted that, and then at the same time, I noticed that we had this high probability supply zone here. So I always say that on my videos, guys, when you take a trade on your zone, which is your supply or demand, you need to put your stop loss below the zone, not below the candle. But at the same time, I didn't want to have a wide stop loss compared to my TP level. So that's why it was a 1-to-1 trade. If I wanted to put it below the candle, and as you can see, this is exactly what happened after that, because we also had, so I'm going to remove this one so you don't get distracted, we also had this high probability supply zone here that got respected. So look at this one here. This is a beautiful candle. I could have easily taken my sell by putting my sell stop here and putting my stop loss above the zone and my TP right here, which is almost 1-to-1, exactly 1-to-1. It would be a beautiful trade if I entered this trade, but I didn't, because at the same time, this zone is still valid, guys. Plus, we had this huge candle, and it created another high probability demand zone. So still, I was waiting, and now I actually took my trade right here. So this is my entry. I know that it's actually got respected because of this candle right here, and we have a high probability supply zone here. So that's why I'm going to hold my trade. This is my trade, guys, with 2.50 lot size, and I wanted to kind of take it here, but 6 pips away, doesn't matter, it doesn't hurt. I didn't want to risk my capital a lot because I already lost almost 350 pounds, so I didn't want to risk it. I said, okay, that's the last one, let's see what happens. We have a huge gap here, we have a beautiful supply zone here. Now let's see what happens. So it's kind of right here, and my stop loss is here. But now I want to change my stop loss because this is the next high probability supply zone, demand zone. I'm not going to work with this one, and then I'm going to move my stop loss to this level here. So this is going to be my stop loss, and then we'll see what happens after that. And I have my TP somewhere around here. So this is a TP. I probably close it manually, but this is what I'm planning to do. So for gold, guys, we had Gold EA Incubator trading for us, and it already passed. And I had a couple of, alarms here to let me know if it hits our zones for high probability supply and demand zones, and it didn't respect any of them. But my prediction was correct, that the price is trying to reach this level to grab the liquidity right here, and this is exactly what it did. It literally broke below this level by this candle, and then now it keeps going down because of creating lower lows and lower highs. Look at this, guys. Look at this one. It's really clean, and you know that you definitely have a bearish trend just because of these massive lower lows and lower highs structures, which is absolutely crazy, guys. And I already showed you the results of Gold EA Incubator, but if you have any question, guys, let me know by dropping your comments below this video. And if you want to trade completely hands-free, you don't want to get involved in the market, you don't want to analyze the market, or you don't want to analyze your risk to reward ratio trades, then Gold EA Incubator might be the best option for you, because it only trades during London session, and then you just wake up in the morning if you're in my time zone, and then you check your profits on a daily basis. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and see you in the next one.